Here's a 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. From the morning commute to weekend adventures, this Cruze is the do-it-all compact that is there to serve. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. External memory control, remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, sports suspension, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Chevy, 100 years of icons. See what it can do when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.